5 parts per trillion. That's how little it takes for the human nose to catch the smell of rain coming. We are roughly 200,000 times more sensitive to it than a shark is to blood. What we are smelling is a molecule called geosmin. It is the breath of bacteria coming back to life after a long thirst. 2 Australian chemists named the smell in 1964. They called it petrichor, from the Greek for stone and the blood of the gods. In 2024, scientists found the receptor that catches it. A single human gene called OR11A1 that lights up only for geosmin. One molecule, one receptor. Almost every sense we have stops at a relay station in the brain before it reaches consciousness. It is called the thalamus. The brain's switchboard. Smell is the only sense that does not stop there. The smell of rain skips the relay and lands directly on the amygdala. The amygdala is older than thinking. It is the part of the brain that decides how to feel before the rest of the brain knows what is happening. By the time the conscious mind labels the smell as rain, the amygdala has already responded. Some part of us has already decided to relax. Why this molecule? Why geosmin, specifically? The answer reaches back across millions of years on the African savanna, where rainfall was rare and water was the limit on every life. The bacteria that release geosmin live in moist soil. When rain returns after a drought, they release a chemical signal. Animals that smell it can find water across kilometers. Camels in the Gobi Desert are believed to detect water this way from up to 50 miles away. The same molecule that pulls them is the one that puts us to sleep tonight. On a savanna, the first scent of geosmin after a long dry stretch carried meaning. Water is returning. Soil is alive. Pressure is dropping. Drought is breaking. Rainfall also changed the world above the soil. Big cats lost their scent trail. Insects could not fly. Birds and bats stopped hunting. The whole web briefly idled. The savanna grew quiet. And in that quiet, the group could finally lower its guard. Researchers studying the Hadza in Tanzania found that a band almost never sleeps fully at once. Across 20 days of observation, the entire group was simultaneously asleep for only 18 minutes total. There was almost always someone awake, watching. Sleep was something we did in rotation. But on a rainy night, the watch could relax. Predators were quieter. Threats were smaller. The smell of rain was, in effect, a chemical all clear. Today, when rain falls outside our window, the same circuits still fire. The brain reads pink noise and slows its waves. Light dims and melatonin rises. Every brain in the building runs the same ancient program at once. Not synced to each other, just synced to a much older signal we never stopped listening for. We are still wired to rest when the sky tells us it is safe. And the sky still tells